Just place a garlic clove on your knee. This is the hidden miracle, waiting right inside your kitchen. If you're dealing with joint pain, whether it's in your knees, wrists, shoulders, or even your back, listen closely because this may be the natural solution you've been searching for. Grab a whole head of garlic. That's right, the entire bulb, peel and all. Why keep the peel? Because it's packed with powerful compounds that amplify the natural benefits of the garlic itself. Now take a sharp knife and slice the garlic into thin pieces, keeping the peel intact. Next, grab a whole onion. Again, no peeling necessary. Slice it into thin rings. What many don't realize is that onion peel is rich in quercetin, a flavonoid known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now, for the final superstar ingredient, fresh ginger. Peel it gently and slice it into thin rounds. Ginger is truly a gift from nature. Scientific research has shown that ginger can be as effective as conventional anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. It improves blood circulation, reduces stiffness, boosts mobility, and soothes those aching joints like nothing else. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. With your garlic, onion, and ginger prepared, it's time to create what I like to call liquid gold. Place all the sliced ingredients into a clean glass jar with a secure lid. Don't stress about the order, just make sure they all fit comfortably. Now here's the important part. The real magic happens with the next step, so don't skip it. Set up a water bath. Place a cloth at the bottom of a deep pot. Add enough water and carefully set your jar inside the pot. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now, open the jar and pour extra virgin olive oil over the ingredients until they are completely covered. Olive oil acts as a powerful natural extractor, pulling out all the beneficial compounds from the garlic, onion, and ginger. Turn your stove to low heat and let the jar sit in the water bath, simmering gently for 20 to 30 minutes. This slow heating process allows the olive oil to absorb every drop of goodness from the ingredients, creating a concentrated healing elixir. Once the time is up, carefully remove the jar from the pot and let it cool slightly. Then strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. What you're left with is a rich, golden liquid full of powerful healing properties, what many call liquid gold. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Now comes the most important part. Using this miracle oil. Apply a generous amount directly to any painful or inflamed areas. Your knees, elbows, wrists, shoulders, or even your lower back. Massage it gently into the skin with circular motions. This not only helps the oil penetrate deeper, but also stimulates blood flow to promote even faster healing. Use it twice a day for best results, once in the morning and again at night. For enhanced overnight benefits, apply the oil before bed and cover the area with a clean cloth or bandage. Let the oil work its magic while you sleep, helping to reduce inflammation, ease pain, and restore comfort. Try this homemade miracle for yourself and experience the relief you deserve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this tip with someone who needs it. See you in the next video.